If you want to transfer data from your old phone to Xiaomi 17, then in that case we can use the Mi Mover app, which we can find, for example, in the app drawer on Xiaomi 17, of course. And we're gonna use it in this case to transfer the data. Once you go over here, you want to grant all the necessary permissions. And we also need to use exactly the same app on our old phone. Now, if you have Xiaomi, Poco, or Redmi, there is a chance that you have the Mi Mover app, so you can check out the app drawer and see if you have it. If not, or if you have any other Android, or if you have an iPhone, then of course we need to download the app. Now, we're gonna go to the Play Store in this case. Of course, in the case of iPhone, you want to go to the App Store, and then you want to search for Mi Mover. And you should be able to find the app quite easily. We want to install it, and of course wait for the app to be installed. There we go, so we're gonna grant all the necessary permissions again. Now, here we need to select that this is our new device, so we want to receive files. And in here we need to simply go ahead and tap that this is our old phone. We need to grant all the necessary permissions again, and then we are searching for nearby devices. So now let's move on to Xiaomi 17. In here we want to select what is our old device. In my case it is Xiaomi, so I can choose Xiaomi. For any other Android you want to of course choose Android, and we have the Apple option as well. So we're gonna choose the Xiaomi over here. I'm gonna allow all the necessary permissions, and there we go. Now we are trying to find our Xiaomi 17 on our old device, and let's see if it's going to detect. If that doesn't happen, we can connect to the new device manually over here, and we can choose the same option on our Xiaomi 17. In this case, it actually works. I can select the Xiaomi 17. We are, of course, trying to connect both devices together. Afterwards, we want to choose whatever we want to transfer. So you can, of course, select everything or just a couple of things. In my case, I'm just gonna choose images and nothing else, and we can go next in order to start transferring files. We need to also select these two options and confirm that we want to send. And there we go. Of course, the more files you have to transfer, the longer it will take, so you have to keep that in mind. But once it is done, we should be able to see all our transferred files on our Xiaomi 17. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.